power of knowledge and them. Hey! From the village road to the city light, from the classroom desk to the late night grind. Dreams do not come by accident. Success does not fall from the sky. You got to train your mind to see beyond the noise, beyond the screen. Knowledge is the real currency. Education is the key. No more lazy thinking style. No more scrolling all the while. Young PNP, it's time to rise. Open up your inner eyes. Focus your mind, sharpen your vision. Future leaders in position. This generation got the power. This is your defending hour. Stay focused, level up your mind. Knowledge is power. Being smart, work hard, don't fall behind. Behind the youth, we design to shine. Critical thinking, research deep. Use technology wisely, don't just sleep. Soft skills, strong stand, confidence. Stay relevant, that's excellent. Ask the question why, how. Don't believe everything somehow. Use AI as tool, not brain. Let it assist, but you must train. Think deeper than the surface view. Let wisdom guide what you pursue. Read the books, lead the facts. Truth is built on strong impacts. Google smart, verify source. Knowledge gives you real force. Research builds authority, not just loud majority. That knowledge is power in hand. Use it wise to build the land. Create, design, innate. Don't just watch and imitate. Phones are tools, not your master. Learn fast, nerd, move faster. Communication, speak with grace. Confidence shows in your face. Respect, teamwork, empathy. These build real opportunity. Degrees may open the door. Character keeps you wanting more. Stay updated, stay aware. Learn new skills everywhere. World is changing every day. Adapt fast, lead the way. If you don't grow, you fall behind. Relevance is a trained mind. Pride, focus, level up your mind. Knowledge is power. Now is your time. Think smart, work hard, don't fall behind. PNG youth with design to shine. Critical thinking, research deep. Use technology wisely, don't just sleep. For skills, strong stand, confidence. Stay relevant, that's excellent. Stay focused, this is your season. Knowledge gives you vision and reason. Build your mind, build your nation. Education is transformation. Come highlands, islands, coast and sea. Young P and King, that's you and me. Stand up strong, make history read. Knowledge is our victory. Stay sharp, stay humble, stay learning. Because the strongest weapon in PNG is not gold, it's not oil, it's not land. It is an educated mind. Yeah. Crouch and face. I did.